So hello all, good evening. This is our 19th batch evening session. So I welcome all you people to my 19th batch evening session. So before starting our session, let me introduce myself. I'm Nataraj. People call me Raj. So I have started in Raj Informatica. So I am from Hindupur, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Coming to my experience, and I settled in Bangalore. Currently, I'm in Bangalore. Okay. So coming to my experience, I am having total 12 years of experience into Informatica. So I have worked in different companies, like I have worked in HCL Bangalore. I have worked in Step2 Technologies Hyderabad. I have worked in Capgemini Bangalore. I have worked in Dell Technologies Bangalore. Currently working in HTC Global Services Bangalore. This is about myself. Okay. Now let's start today's session. Okay. So let me open this. Let me start today's session. One second. Yeah, I hope is my voice and video is clear. Is my screen is clear for you? And the voice also? Is it clear, guys? Yes. Just a second, please wait. Yes, okay. So in this training, we are all discussing about Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0. This is Informatica PowerCenter training. What is Informatica PowerCenter training? All those things we'll see in some time. Before that, I want to discuss few general things with you. Let's discuss some general things with you. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Just a second, please wait. Just a second. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So we are all, I am recording the video. Okay. I'll give the video to you. You no need to record anything. I am recording already. I will give the video. Please wait. Okay. Now coming to the sessions. So we are all learning Informatica here. So in Informatica, we are mainly learning Informatica PowerCenter. What is that? I'll come later. Coming to the class timings, there are two classes on daily basis, morning and evening. Morning session will start from 9:30 to 11:30. Evening session will start from 7:30 to 9:30. Whatever I say morning, I'll repeat the same thing in evening. As per your free time, you can join either morning or evening. Suppose next session is on Monday. If you want to join Monday morning session, you can ask us, you can WhatsApp us on Sunday evening at least, so that we'll give the access to morning session. Suppose if you have some work on Monday evening, if you want to join Monday morning, you are free to join, but you have to ask us. You have to ask us. So we will give the access to you to join the morning session. Are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? Yeah. Okay, just a second, please wait. Yes, please. So what you have to do, if you want to join, okay. So on Monday, any day, You are all evening batch, right? If you want to join morning session, you have to tell at least one day before, the previous day evening. If you tell, we'll give the access. And our official WhatsApp numbers are two numbers: 8105296858. Another number is 91138615544. I request you to WhatsApp only this number, please. I request you to WhatsApp only this number. Note down this number and WhatsApp only to this number. Are you clear? Do not WhatsApp me on this number. Please WhatsApp me on this number only. Are you clear, please? Understood? Yes, please. Everyone? Understood? So please save this number as Raj Informatica and please contact us only on this number. Do not ping us on 8105 because sometimes it is disabling. So I don't want to keep you wait. If you want the faster responses, please WhatsApp to this number only. Okay, next. Coming to installation. I have already sent you Oracle 11G link, Informatica 10.2.0 link. You have to join, you have to install by at least Sunday. We don't have session on tomorrow and day after tomorrow. You have to install these. I have given a step-by-step video also. By seeing the step-by-step video, you have to install by evening. You have to install by Sunday evening at least. Monday onwards, we'll start the working sessions. So by Monday, we'll start the working sessions by Monday. So you please install by Sunday evening by watching the video. If you stuck somewhere, you can ask in the WhatsApp group, evening group. WhatsApp group is there. You can ask in the evening WhatsApp group, or you can text us on 91138. You can WhatsApp us. My teammate Projecta will help you. Now coming to the system requirements. Coming to the system requirements to install Informatica, we require at least 6 GB RAM with Windows 10 or 11 with Windows 10 or 11 operating system. 8 also it will install, but 10 and 11 it will work fine. Coming to the processor, it can be any processor. It can be i3, at least i3, any generation, i5 any generation, i7 any generation. Any laptop you can. Installation video, I'll send you. You please WhatsApp me 91138615544. So I will send you the installation video and links both. Few people I already sent. They already installed. I think many people already installed, correct? Anyone installed already Informatica? Anyone already installed Informatica? Yes, okay. So if you're not installed, don't worry. We have time. Don't worry. Today I'm not going to use any softwares, just a theory session. So you have time. Don't worry about it. So that's why I'm giving time till Monday. So please install it and practice well. Next one. So if you have 4 GB RAM laptop, take it to laptop shop and make it as 8 GB. Instead of 6 GB, make it as 8 GB. It will be good. And your operating system will be 64-bit only. 32-bit it will not support. It should be 64-bit only. This is about laptop requirement. If you have 256 SSD, 512 SSD, that is fine. No problem. It will be faster. And you should have at least 150 GB hard disk space. At least 150 GB hard disk space to install Informatica. That's about this. Next, coming to the classes. First 2 weeks, Oracle install, but Informatica needs to install. We'll try to install tomorrow evening, else they take it. Yes, please install. If you stuck anywhere, first send the screenshot in WhatsApp group, our evening WhatsApp group, 19th batch evening WhatsApp group. People will help you, or our teammate Projecta will help you. My teammate Projecta will help you. 6 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM is okay. If you have 6 GB RAM, that's perfectly fine, please. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Now, first 2 weeks, there will be alternative sessions because you require some time to practice and you are new to Informatica. So you require some time. So first 2 weeks, alternate session. That means next session is on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. From 5th onwards, from 5th of June, It will be daily sessions. Only Sunday will be holiday. Only Sunday will be holiday. Till then, alternative sessions. Next, coming to the live sessions. I will tell 30 to 33 live sessions. I will tell 30 to 33 live sessions. 30 to 32 or 33, whatever. Okay. So every session 2 hours. Every session 2 hours. Every session 2 hours continuous. Okay. So almost I will take 60 to 70 hours based on the sessions. All these first to 32 sessions will be live sessions. All the first to 32 sessions will be live. But after live sessions, if you want to watch the recording sessions, you can watch only 10 sessions, 1 to 10 only. 1 to 10 also live, but also I'll give recording. Normally, you should not depend on recording. Without recording, if you practice, then you will not forget Informatica. So please do not use any recording. Do not depend on recording. I will give the notes. You don't need to write down anything. You have to just listen. If you listen carefully, you can easily practice. Informatica is not a tough thing. It's very easy. So 1 to 10 session recordings only I will provide. Remaining I will not provide. If you miss after 11 session, after 10 session, if you miss any 1 or 2 due to your health issues or travel issues, you can ask us, WhatsApp us, we'll give the access, but not on daily basis we'll give. Are you clear about recordings? Are you clear about recordings, please? Everyone? Yes, please. So do not depend on the recordings. Try to practice without seeing the recordings. Then you can survive in the software industry, because nobody will give the recording when you go to real time. Nobody will give the video recording, see the video recording and do the work. Nobody will give. So you have to practice without seeing any recording. Okay, that's about it. Now, as I told you, our training will go 45 to 50 days. If you take it out all the holidays and all the Sundays and alternative days. So 50 days training. Okay, in the 50 days training, number 1, you have to attend all the live sessions. You have to attend all the live sessions. You should not miss any live session, because we have 2 timings, right? If you are busy morning, you can join evening. If you are busy at evening, you can join morning. You have that option. So no other training will not have this option. And number 2, second point is very important. This point is very important. You have to listen carefully, please. If you listen carefully, 100% problems will resolve. You have to take a calm room, lock your room, put your mobile on silent, and do not see anything while only concentrate on session. Understand what I am saying and practice, then you can achieve whatever you want. If you don't listen, you cannot understand. If you cannot understand, you cannot practice. If you don't practice, you will not get a job. Are you clear? The main thing is you have to listen carefully. Are you clear? Number 1, attend all live sessions. Number 2, listen carefully. Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Yeah. So please attend all the live sessions. So please attend all the live sessions. Understand them, because I will promise you that I'll make you understand in an easiest manner. I'll make you understand in easiest manner. Informatica is very easy if you compare to anyone. Yes, please. Understanding? Understanding? Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Understood? Just give me 1 minute. Please give me 1 minute. Please wait. You no need to write any notes. You no need to write any notes. I will give the notes. You no need to write down anything. Okay, anything. After 2 weeks, 6 days per week. Sunday, only Sunday will be holiday. Only Sunday will be holiday. Yes, please. Understanding? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, guys. Now, next. Okay. Next. So on daily basis, what you will get it? On daily basis, what you will get it? Okay. So what you will get on daily basis? Daily you will get a Google Drive link, the material, whichever I am showing you on the screen, I will send you that. Whichever I am showing you on the screen, whichever I am showing you on the screen, okay, whichever I am showing you on the screen, I will send all the material to you. The material will be looking like this. I'll show you the material, how it looks like. Okay. So you will get a Google Drive link on daily basis. I'll show you the Google Drive link. So if you see the first session like this, if you open the link which I send you, it will open like this. You can download them. Right click on it, download all. Right click on it and download everything. Okay. So that is what you have to do it. Okay. So daily basis, I'll send the notes, whichever I am showing you on the screen. Whichever I am showing you on the screen. Next thing. So next thing is in this training, what and all I will cover. In this training, what and all I will cover, what and all I will learn. In this training, I will cover data visualization concepts, Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter basics to advanced, Unix basics commands, a mini project I will ask you to do it, and I will give the resume for you. I will prepare the resume for you and I will give it. I will give the interview questions and the job assistance I will give. Job assistance means how to apply in Naukri, how to apply in Monster, okay, and how to get the good calls, how to attend the interview, all those things I will tell you. These and all will be covered in my training. Are you clear? Are you clear? Everyone understanding? Understanding everyone? Are you clear? Yes. Now, next thing. Next one. See, we have a 19th batch evening separate group. We have a morning separate group, WhatsApp group, evening separate WhatsApp group. Who will get this access? Whoever paid 15,000, whoever paid full fee, only those people will get the website access. Whoever paid 15,000, whoever paid full fee, only those people, what they will get, we will add you into WhatsApp group, okay, and will get the website access and also material access. Okay, whoever paid 15,000, for those people, it will be added everywhere. If you did not pay as soon as possible, as per your thing, pay as soon as possible. Okay. So if you did and if you did not have access, by night you will get. Suppose you already paid 15,000. If you don't have access by today night or tomorrow morning, you will get the access. Don't worry. Okay. Are you clear, please? Yes, please. We have 19th batch morning group, 19th batch evening separate group will be there. Okay. 19th batch morning and 19th batch evening separate WhatsApp group. That is only for Informatica. That is only to discuss on Informatica, not any other thing. Not any other thing. In the WhatsApp groups, no good morning messages, no good evening messages. Okay, no. Okay, what I can say? No happy birthday messages, no festival greetings messages, no anniversary messages, nothing, please. So you should ask only about Informatica. If you have stuck somewhere and you have to ask about Informatica related only, in the WhatsApp groups. Are you clear? And also I have a Telegram group. I'll add you in the Telegram group later, not now. First, I will add you in the WhatsApp group, whoever paid 15,000. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. Yeah. Understood? Just a second, please wait. Yeah, okay. Now, next thing. And also, apart from these WhatsApp groups, we have practice groups also. Is it compulsory to have Telegram account? Not required. Maybe in future, maybe after 1 week, I may ask you to install Telegram. I don't know. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. As of now, WhatsApp is enough. We'll communicate through WhatsApp. So about the class, about if you have any emergencies, whatever, about any material, everything I will be communicating in the WhatsApp groups. So please practice in the please be active in WhatsApp groups. Okay. Next thing. Now, what I'm trying to say is, apart from main WhatsApp groups, we have practice groups also. Practice groups means, okay, practice groups means I'll be creating 6 more WhatsApp groups. I'll be practicing. So I'll be creating 6 more WhatsApp groups. Suppose let's say 12 to PM, 12 to 2 PM, 9 to 12 PM, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 PM. Like this, we have 6 WhatsApp groups. Suppose on daily basis, you are free at 12 to 2 PM. You can join in this group. Okay. In this, you can join in this group. Okay. And send a Zoom. Suppose there are 10 people in this group or 10, 20 people in this group. Send a Zoom link at 12 o'clock. Ask them what time and send a Zoom link to them. Whoever joined, discuss with them whatever we have covered. Till now, whatever we have covered, discuss with them and practice with them. Share your screen and do the mapping. Okay, do the mapping. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Yes. These practice groups are very successful in my training. Because in one of the group, 5 people daily practicing in the WhatsApp groups, these practice groups, they created a Zoom link and they were practicing daily. One guy got the job. And that guy referred to all the people. They all got the jobs. So instead of practicing individually, practicing in groups, please. If you practice in groups, then the people will resolve your problems. You can easily remember the things, and also you can easily resolve the things. Are you clear? So these the practice groups will help you. Yes, please. Are you clear? Yes. So this is not my first batch. This is my 19th batch. I started my training on May 2021. So in this month only, May 9th, I started the first batch. Okay. Now it is 19th batch. Okay. In 2 years, I completed 18th batch. Many people got the jobs. Most of the them who practiced well, who joined all my live sessions, who listened carefully, who understood and who practiced and who completed the mini project, who attended the interviews, they got the jobs. Yes, please. Understood? Are you clear? So will the practice groups will help you? Will the practice groups help you? Clear about it? Yes, please. Yeah. Next. See, we have mainly 3 subjects here, 3 topics here, or 3 technologies we are learning here. The main thing is Informatica. We are learning Informatica PowerCenter. That is a major subject. Oracle SQL. Yes, that's also major. And Unix, it's a minor. So we will learn very basics about Unix, not required in depth. But Informatica and Oracle will learn everything. Oracle SQL basics, whichever required Informatica, I will tell everything. Whichever required Informatica, I will tell all the Oracle topics and also Informatica. See, in this training, maybe you are all completed your BSc or BA, BCom, BBA, whatever it is, or you have completed MCA or MSc, whatever it is, or you have completed your BTech, BE, MTech, might have completed. Let's take suppose a degree. In degree, at least per year, you will be having 5 to 7 subjects. If you come to BCA or MCA, per semester it will be 5 to 6 subjects. Engineering, 5 to 6 subjects or 5 to 7 subjects. So, yes, please, yeah, whatever the not required, I will tell from zero. If you are from a mechanical background or a civil background or a medical background, whatever the background it is, I will tell from zero. You no need to worry. Okay, I will tell from very basics. I'll tell from zero. You no need to worry. See, if you are able to complete 50 plus subjects, suppose in BE BTech means total BE BTech 50 plus subjects will be there. MBA MCA 20 plus, degree 15 plus. If you are able to listen them, understood them, practice them, written the exams, get the good marks, you got the good marks. If you are able to do 15 plus subjects, why can't you do 3 subjects? Just 3. And that to two are major, 1 is minimum. Yes, please. Understanding? Are you clear? Yes, please. So be positive. Be positive. Okay. So 1 second, please wait. Please wait. Just a second, please wait. Yeah. Okay. So be positive. Be positive. Okay. And believe in yourself and do hard work. Surely you will get whatever you wanted. So there are only 3 subjects and these are easy. If you compare Informatica with Java, if you compare Informatica with .NET, if you compare Informatica with any other tool like suppose AWS, AWS or Azure or DevOps, if you compare Informatica with any other software tool, Informatica is very easy. Okay, the complex things there is no coding at all. There is no coding. Okay, just Oracle queries we need to write. That I will tell how to write. That I will tell how to write. Okay, you no need to worry. I'll make you understand complex things also in an easiest manner. I promise you that you all like my training. You all go out of this training with good knowledge. Are you clear, please? Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Now, let's go to, okay? Now let's go to our topics. Okay? Let's go to the topics. Now, Informatica. Okay? Informatica. So we are learning Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 version. Okay? 10.2.0 version we are learning here now. I'll tell you what is the difference between MS SQL, Oracle SQL. I'll tell you. Please wait. That is not our topic now. Okay? That is not our topic now. Please wait. Now, so Informatica is a ETL tool. What is this ETL tool means? What is ETL means? Before going to ETL, we should see what is data is. A very basics from zero if I want to start. What is data means? What is data? Anyone? What is data? What is data? Data means collection of information. Collection of information. Okay. Collection of information is fine. Where you will see data in real time on day-to-day basis, on day-to-day, okay? On day-to-day basis, where you will see data, where you will see the data in real time. What if, where you will see the data? Yes, please. See, we have banking data. We have retail data. Okay. We have banking data. We have retail data. And we have like this. We have banking data, retail data, educational data, healthcare data, insurance data, government data, entertainment data. Government data and entertainment data. Yes, please. Understanding? Yeah. Yes, guys. One second, please wait. Somebody has texted me. Please wait. Please wait. Somebody has texted me. Just a second. One second. Yeah. Okay. So see, one thing you understand here, please. One thing you understand. Okay. So you can chat with me. You cannot speak with me because there are many people. Because many people are there. If I, okay. So if I make you unmute, nobody will understand anything. So that's why you can ask your questions in the chat, in the Zoom chat. Okay, that's about. So examples of data are banking data, retail data, education data, healthcare data, insurance data, government data, entertainment data. Banking data means if you go to any bank, suppose ICICI Bank. If you go to any bank, they will maintain banking data. Retail data means if you go to any supermarket, if you go to any other grocery shop, that is called retail data. If you go to college or if you go to college or a school or a university, they'll be having educational data. If you go to hospital or a pharmacy or a medical shop or whatever it is, it will be healthcare data. If you go to any insurance company, that will be insurance data. And if you see any government related data, public data, that is called government data. Entertainment, if you go to movies or whatever it is, that is called entertainment data. Are you clear, please? Understood? Everyone? Yeah? Yes, please. Are you clear? What is data means? What is data? Did you understand? Yes? Okay. Now suppose, let's see where this data will store. Where this data will store. In which format? In which format data will store? In which format data will store? Okay, we'll see. Suppose you go to ICICI Bank. Suppose you have an account in ICICI Bank. You have an account in ICICI Bank. You went to ICICI Bank. Okay. You went to ICICI Bank. You deposited 10,000 rupees. What a cashier, you went to cashier, you write a deposit slip and you given the deposit slip and also 10,000 to cashier. What he will do? If you give, what he will do? What he will do when you go to bank? What cashier will do? What cashier will do is he will open ICICI Bank website. He will open ICICI Bank website. Just a second, guys. Please wait. Please wait. Today, so many messages I am getting. Just a second. Just a minute, please wait. Yeah, okay. Now, so if you go to bank and if you give 10,000 rupees to cashier, cashier will open ICICI Bank website and he will enter your customer ID or account number. When you enter customer ID or account number, you will get, okay, what you will get? Okay, he will get all your information and he will enter 10,000 rupees and he clicked on save. When he clicked on save, the data, your customer data will be saved under database, under ICICI Bank database server. Under ICICI Bank database server, your data will be stored. So where the data will store? In the under database. In which format data will store? In which format data will store? Either in table format or in file format. But 90% they will save under table format. 90% they will, okay, save under table format. Okay, now, so data is a collection of information. Okay, data is collection of information, and that collection of information will be stored under a database in the format of a table. Now, what is a table? What is a table? What is a table? Anyone? What is a table? What is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. What are these rows and columns? If you see this, I'll show you one thing. Yeah, if you see this, I have a table called students. In the students table, I have student ID, student name, student marks, city, state. So student ID, student name, student, these are called columns. The vertical lines are called columns. The horizontal lines are called rows. The horizontal rows are called rows. So now these are rows. These are called rows or records. These are called columns. These are called columns or fields or fields. 1 second. Columns or fields or attributes or entities. All are same name. So this is called a row or a record. This is first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. This is called a column header. This line is called a column header. Student ID, student name, student marks, city. Yes, please. Yeah. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear? So now I have how many? I have how many rows? In this table, how many rows? There are 3 rows. Rows are this 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows and 5 columns. 5 columns. There are 3 rows and 5 columns. There are 3 rows and 5 columns. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Now this column name is student ID. This column name is student name. This column name is student marks. This column name is student state. So these are the column names, and this is the data into it. This is the data into it. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. Understanding? Yeah. Are you clear? Everyone? Yes, please. So these are called, see, student ID, student name, marks, city, state are called columns, or fields, or attributes, or entities. Name is same. We can call as entity, or we can call as attribute. We can call as field. We can call as columns. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Yeah. Now, so that means when you suppose you entered into ICICI Bank, you entered into ICICI Bank. When you deposited 10,000 rupees, that 10,000 rupee information with your data will be okay, stored in the table in a row format, stored in a table in a row format. Are you clear, please? Rows and columns in a format to store. Suppose 100 people entered into ICICI Bank, 100 rows will be entered internally, will be entered internally in the database. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Where the data will store, in which format it will store. Are you clear? Yes. Yes, please. Are you clear? Yeah. Now, so what I said is, as I told you here, what I have told, table is a collection of rows and columns. Suppose, and these will be, so table is a collection of rows and columns. So data is stored in the format of tables. Okay, tables are stored in where? Database. Okay, database server actually. Suppose if ICICI Bank is having multiple branches. So in Bangalore there are 5 branches. In Hyderabad there are 5. In Mumbai there are 5. All the data. Suppose in Jayanagar customers will go and enter they will do the transactions. That will go and enter into a single database server. So they will be having from ICICI Bank side, they will be having database server. So in the database server, the data will be stored in the format of tables. Now, what are the popular database servers you know? What are the popular database servers you know? Yes, please. What are the popular database servers you know? Or database technologies. You can say database technologies. Servers are technologies. So we have these database servers. Okay. What are the database servers we have? We have Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL database, Teradata database. Okay. Teradata database, MongoDB database, Snowflake DB database, like that. Are you clear? Understanding? So these are the different databases they will use. Any one they will use, not 2 or 3. Any one is enough. So in this, the popular database is Oracle database. The popular from 30-40 years. Okay, the popular database is Oracle database. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Oracle database. Okay, Oracle database is popular. Are you clear? So Oracle contains SQL and PLSQL. What is that? We will see later. What is that? We will see later. Are you clear? So these are all different. Oracle database, SQL Server database, SQL Server database. Okay, is belongs to SQL Server database belongs to Microsoft. MySQL some other company, Greenplum some company, Teradata some company, MongoDB, Snowflake. Like that, we have many databases. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Understood? Yes, please. Now, okay. Yes, please. Yeah. Now, what is this ETL tool? What we will do this DB2. DB2 also database. DB2 also a database. MS Access also a database. These are all databases. MS Access. Any other database you know other than this? Any other databases you know other than this? Yes, please. Yeah. Cassandra database, correct? Cassandra database. SAP also, it's a ERP actually. It's also act as a database. Yes. Any others you know? Apart from this, these are the popular. These are the popular databases we know. Now we'll come to our Informatica. What is Informatica? What we will do with Informatica, we'll see. PPT is not a database, please. PPT is not a database. PPT is not a database, please. Are you clear? Yes, guys? Yeah? Okay. Yes. Now, yeah, all are popular only. In this most popular is, okay, Oracle. In this all the databases, the most popular database is Oracle database. Okay. So everyone, almost 80% of the software companies are using Oracle database. Are you clear, please? Okay, fine. Now, ETL. What is ETL? Okay. Now coming to ETL. ETL means extract, transform, load. Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is an ETL tool. What is this ETL tool? What we will do this with ETL tool, we will learn now. We will learn now. What is ETL tool? What is Informatica? Why we will use Informatica? What we will do in Informatica when you go to real time? We will see now. ETL means extract, transform, load. Extract what? Extract the data. Transform or extract means get the data or read the data. T means transform or modify data. L means load the data or write the data or process the data. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Yes, please. Are you clear? Yeah. Now, okay, what is this actually? See, we have actually, let me open it. We have a technology called BI. We have a technology called, here I have. We have a technology called business intelligence. We have a technology called business intelligence. Under business intelligence, we have data warehouse. Under data warehouse, we have ETL, we have reporting. We have ETL, we have reporting. So we have a technology called in software, business intelligence on technology. Under this data warehouse will come. What is this data warehouse? I'll tell you in some time. And data warehouse is divided into ETL and reporting. Our Informatica is a ETL tool. So our concentration is more about Informatica is a ETL tool. Our concentration is more on ETL. What is this ETL tool? We will see now. Okay. What is the use of it? All those things we will see now. Let's take some example. Suppose I have a business. Suppose let's take DMart. Okay. DMart is what kind of business? DMart is what kind of business? It's a retail business. It's a retail business. See, it's a retail business. Actually, it's a business. Suppose if you have a business, at the end of the day, what you will see? At the end of the day, what you will see? If you have a business, you will see sales. What is the sales per day? Did I get profit or loss? Did I get profit or loss? Correct? Yes, please. That is what you see. Okay, fine. Let's take one example. There is one branch called Jayanagar in Bangalore. Jayanagar, there is one branch. In Jayanagar, there is a DMart. There is a DMart. Okay. Suppose you went to DMart in Jayanagar today and you took the trolley in DMart. You took all the goods, whatever you want for your daily things, whatever you wanted. You took all the goods worth 10,000 rupees, suppose. You went to the cashier. You have given the trolley to cashier. Cashier will scan the barcodes. Cashier will scan the barcodes. And finally, he will click on print. When he click on print, what will happen exactly? When he click on print, what will happen exactly? Yes, please. What will happen is, what it will happen? So when you click on print, the bill will give it to you. The bill, they will give it to you. Internally, it will store under a table that customer data, whatever the 10,000 rupees, whatever the 10,000 rupees. Okay. See what in the bill, what it will be having. In the bill, normally what and all it will be having: date of the date, transaction date, item number, name of the item, number of the items, cost of the item, and total. So when you give, okay, when you give the bill to you, when you click on print, internally it will save in the database server. In a table, it will save as a transaction. Are you clear? What is a transaction? Everybody will do one thing there. Suppose you went, you took 10,000 rupees groceries. That is one transaction. Another person went, he took 5,000 rupees goods. That is another transaction. Now, all these transactions, what is this? Transactions in a bank. If you go to anywhere, these are all called transactions. This is called transactional data. These transactional data stored in a table called OLTP table. That is called online transactional data. This table also called source table. This table also called source table. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Everyone, DMart is a retail data. Whatever it is, whatever they sell, it's a retail data. That's it. Whatever the product they sell, that's a retail data. Okay. So what they will do, they will be having, DMart is having a server in the system. Okay. And when you click on print, the print will give it to you. And the record, the transaction will be entered in a table that is called, what is that? Yes, please. That is called a transactional table or transaction data. This is called a source table, also called this is as raw data, also called raw data. Are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. Okay, fine. So today, suppose on 19th of May, 2023, 100 transactions are happened. 100 transactions are happened in DMart. Suppose these 100 transactions value is 10 lakh rupees. So sales is 10 lakh rupees. Today sales is what? 10 lakh rupees. Then I will calculate expenses as a Big Bazaar, as a DMart owner. What I will do? Okay, I will calculate the expenses. What are the expenses? What are the expenses in DMart? Rent of the building. Rent of the building. Yes, please. Rent of the building. And then what are the expenses? Rent of the building. Okay. Then salaries of the employees. Maintenance of the building. Maintenance of the building. Maintenance of the building. Okay. And goods cost. Products cost. Building and goods, whatever the good they have, their cost. They'll calculate. So today the sales is 10 lakh. Expenses are suppose 5 lakhs. Expenses are 5 lakh. So then profit is what? What is profit? What is profit? Sales minus expenses, correct? Sales minus expenses, that is 5 lakh. Okay, if I have one branch, I can easily calculate somehow. Suppose DMart is having, in Bangalore, there are 10 branches. In Hyderabad, there are 20 branches. In Mumbai, there are 30 branches. In Bangalore, DMart's 10 branches are there. Hyderabad 20, Mumbai 30 branches are there. Mumbai 30 branches are there. Okay, Mumbai 30 branches are there. Now to handle, so see, in one branch only, I got 100 transactions. Actually, suppose if you take one branch, suppose the DMart, if you take at least 500 people entered in DMart normally. Normally, at least 500 people per day in one branch. So per day, at least 500 transactions will be happen. Yes or no, guys? In one branch, can 500 transactions will happen per day? Yes, easily. Okay, 500 is a more example. Suppose 250 at least. Minimum to minimum weekdays 250s. 250 people will enter into 250 transactions will do in one branch. Like that, 10 branches in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai. It is difficult to handle the data. Now to handle the data, ETL people required. Now to handle means what? Ultimately, what Big Bazaar owner see at the end of the day? He will see daily report. He will see weekly report, correct? He will see monthly report. He will see quarterly report. Yes or no? He will see the reports. By seeing the reports only, he will understand the business, right? Whether he got monthly profit or not, how? He needs the reports and yearly report. Not only this, he wanted branch-wise report. Branch-wise report. He wanted city-wise report. He wanted state-wide report. He wanted zonal-wide report. He wanted country-wide report, correct? Suppose there is one branch called Indiranagar branch. Indiranagar in Bangalore. In Indiranagar, what is daily profit or loss? What is weekly profit or loss? What is monthly profit or loss? What is quarterly profit or loss? What is yearly profit or loss? Okay. In Bangalore, I have 10 branches. In whole 10 branches, throughout Bangalore, what is the profit I got today? Throughout Karnataka, what is the profit I got today? Throughout South Zone, what is the profit I got? Throughout India, what is the profit I got? That they will see end of the day. Now, there should be some people, that means DMart is a business. These people wanted some people who can generate the reports, who can generate the business reports to improve their business, understanding, to understand and improve their business. They require some people who can handle this data and generate. So DMart will contact a software company. Suppose Accenture is a software company. Accenture, what they will do? Accenture will hire ETL developers, that is Informatica developers and reporting developers, and they will do these reports. These people will generate the reports for DMart. Understanding? Now, as an ETL team, as an Informatica developer, what you will do? Suppose what is your work when you go to real time? Suppose there are 3 branches in Bangalore. Suppose there are 3 branches in DMart. Jayanagar, JP Nagar, Indiranagar. Jayanagar is having Jayanagar customer table. JP Nagar is having JP Nagar customer table. Indiranagar is having Indiranagar customer table. Suppose in 1 month, Jayanagar have 1 lakh transactions. That is 1 lakh rows. JP Nagar got 2 lakh transactions. Indiranagar got 5 lakh transactions. Correct? In 1 month, these are called transaction tables or OLTP tables or source tables. This data is called transaction data or raw data. Correct? Yes or no, please? These will be stored, this data will be stored in table formats, and these tables will be stored in where? These tables will be stored in where? Yes, please. Yeah. These tables will be stored in where? In the database, server. In the database server. Okay. Suppose as a ETL developer, as an Informatica developer, what he will do? He will extract the data from these OLTP tables and he will modify it. He will combine all 1 lakh plus 2 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. 8 lakh records. He will modify as per the business needs and he will load to some target tables. These target tables are called OLAP tables. So what I am doing, I am taking the data from transaction tables. I am modifying as per the business needs, and I am loading to one table or two tables or three tables called target tables, or called OLAP tables, online analytical processing tables, are called data warehouse. So we will load the data into data warehouse. From the data warehouse, reporting people. Who is reporting people? Who are reporting people? Who are working in Power BI, Tableau, Cognos, OBIE. These people will generate the business reports, daily reports, monthly reports, all these reports. Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Yeah. Yes, please. Understood? Understood? Everyone? Are you clear? Understanding? Yes. Now, so as a ETL developer, Informatica is a ETL tool. By using ETL tool, we will extract the data from OLTP tables, transform or modify by using Informatica, and load it to target tables called OLAP tables. And the reporting people will generate the reports. Based on their reports, they will understand the business and they will improve the business. How? Simply suppose there is a Indiranagar branch. On May 2020, on May month, I got big, what is that? DMart got 5 lakh loss. On June, it got 7 lakh loss. On July, it got 20 lakh loss. On August, it got 25 lakh loss. I'll see the reports, branch-wise report and monthly report. I'll see. If I am getting 4 months continuously loss, I will take a business decision. What is the decision? I'll remove the Indiranagar branch and I will put in some other good location. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? How I will come to know that? So this data is very huge. No, the data is very huge. What ETL people will do, will bring the data in a good shape. Will bring the data in good shape. Please wait 1 second. Please wait. Yes. I'll tell you, please wait. So what I'm trying to say is, so we'll take the data and we'll put in a good shape and we'll give it to reporting people. Reporting people will generate the reports. Based on the reports, reporting is not under ETL. Our ETL job is what? Our ETL developers work is what? We will extract the data, we'll transform and modify, we'll load to target tables, OLAP tables. Reporting people will generate the reports. Reporting work is not your work. Are you clear? Who are working in Power BI or Tableau or Cognos or OBIE, they will generate the reports. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? So now, okay, what is data warehouse? I'll tell you. Please wait, please wait. So data warehouse is nothing. Data warehouse is having analytical data. We will get the raw data, we'll take the raw data, we'll process the data, and we'll put it in a single database. That database is called a data warehouse. It is having analytical data. After analysis, it is having a good shape of the data. We'll give the shape to data. That from the target tables, yes, reports will be based on target tables. Are you clear? Understanding? So if I get to improve my business, I will see the reports, and these reports are, suppose in Indiranagar, every month if I get the loss, I will remove the branch and I will put in some other thing. Yes or no? Correct or not, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Okay, suppose I will get, so total in my DMart in India, total DMart, 2000 people are working. In total DMart, total in India wide, 2000 people are there. I will get a report. What kind of report? Top 100 salaried people. Top 100 salaried people. What we will get? Top 100 salaried people. We will get it. 1 second, please wait. Just a second, please wait, guys. Guys, please wait just a second. I got a call. Please wait. I'm in a call. Please wait. Yes, please. So what I'm trying to say is, suppose in India, there are 2000 people in DMart working in DMart, like cashiers, managers, directors, whatever. I want 10,000, top 10,000 salaried people, top 100 people who are getting more salaries. If I want to give 5% or 3% bonus to them. I want to give 3% bonus. By getting this report, I want to give 3% bonus. I will get top 500 less salaried people, lowest 500 salaried people, lowest 500 salaried people. I'll get it. From there, for these people, when I get the report, I will give 10% bonus to them. Correct? If I give 10% to them, it will be huge. If I give 3% to them, it will be less. So I will give for lowest people 10%. For highest people, I'll give 3%. Correct? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? So this is how the reports will work. In a simple term, I will tell you. In a simple term, suppose. So ultimately, what is the output of your Informatica project? What is the output of Informatica? Why we will do Informatica database project? Why we will do Informatica database project? What is the output of your Informatica project? To generate the business reports. To generate the business reports, correct? Ultimately, customer get the reports. Understanding? Ultimately, customer will give what kind of data? He will give transactional data to us. We'll extract these data, we'll modify as per the business needs, and we'll load the data to target tables. We'll load the data to target tables or data warehousing, and that from that generate the business reports. That reports will be seen by people. Yes, please. I'll keep telling you. Suppose I wanted to construct an apartment. I wanted to construct an apartment. My project is construct an apartment. I want raw material, right? I want what and all I want. To construct apartment, what is the raw material I want? First, I need a place to construct apartment. Then what I want? Then I want bricks. I want bricks. Then cement. Then sand. Then iron. Okay? And workers. These things I want. So this is like a E, extract. So please try to compare with your, so we will get transactional data, correct? So client will give transaction data to us. From the transaction data, we will extract the transaction data by using ETL developers, correct? Yes or no? We are workers, ETL developers. These things, what these workers will do, they will modify it. Modify means first they will construct the walls, they'll construct the rooms. After that, what they will construct? After that, what they'll construct? Rooms, floors, they'll construct. Finally, an apartment has made. Finally, as an apartment has made. Same way, we'll take the data and we'll modify the data. We'll load it to target tables. Now, reporting means what? For this apartment, people will paint, people will do the interior, people will give a good shape, correct? A good shape to the apartment or good whatever paint and interior. The same thing, this is called reports. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? In a simple manner, I'm saying in a simple manner, in a simplest manner, we will get the raw data. Whatever, suppose if you go to ICICI Bank, they will give the transaction data to us. We'll modify it. We'll modify as per the business requirements. We'll load the data to target tables. From the target tables report will generate. Same way, so they will give the raw material to us. Workers will modify the data and they will construct the apartment in the rooms or floors or whatever it is. And that will be still designed by paints and interiors. Are you clear? So that is called reports. So the apartment also, see, if you don't paint an interior, it will not be good, right? If you don't paint an apartment, if you don't do the interior, will it the good shape? Will it the good shape? No. Same way, the data will be there. Apartment is constructed. Same way, the data is in the target tables. That is called data warehouse or OLAP data. The data is there. Still, if you send this data to customer, they will not understand. What they will understand? They will understand the reports. So if you want to sell this apartment, you must do the interior. You must give the good paints, good colors. It should be attractive manner. Yes, please. Then only people will purchase your apartment or whatever it is. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear? That is called the report. Understood? Everyone, are you clear? This is what you will do. This is what ETL developer will do. Till here, reporting developers will generate the reports. Are you clear? Understood? So this is about ETL. Did you understand in clear-cut manner what is ETL? Without any confusions? I told you in the simplest manner, which can be understandable to anyone. If a 7th standard student listen my session, he will understand. I can guarantee you that. Okay, we are all ETL developers. We are all ETL Informatica developers. We are all ETL Informatica developers. I'll give this video to you. You can watch the video again. I cannot repeat again. You can watch the video again. I already repeated many times. So is my English is understandable to you? Is my English is understandable to you? Is my sessions are interesting? Did you feel interesting session today? Without any boring? In between, yes, I got some things. I took a break in between 1 or 2 minutes. But still, I'll try to avoid that also. When I have some important things, I cannot do anything. I have to take it. When it is important, then only I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll not take it. So don't worry. From Monday, who will generate the reports? Reporting people will generate the reports. Reporting people will generate the reports. Yes, please. Power BI people, Tableau people, Cognos people, OBI people, they will generate the reports. Yes, please. See, you are all non-IT people. If you want to get a job, you should leave all your worries. What kind of worries? If you don't have communication skills, don't worry. If you have career gap, no worries. If you have education gap, no worries. Try to improve your communication skills. Communication skills are important, but not mandatory. Yes, it is important. Simple English, you try to learn simple English by speaking with others. You have to speak with others to understand the English. You have to speak with others to understand the English. So speak with your family members. English will come by speaking only. It will not come by writing. It will not come by listening. It will not come by writing. Okay? Listening, writing, seeing, it will not come. It will come by speaking only. Who are Power BI? Are they trained some tool? Yes, Power BI is a different tool. Power BI is a different tool. Whether all the source tables contains raw data, correct? Yes. Apart from Informatica, do we have any ETL tool? There are many ETL tools that I will tell in the next session. Power BI is a different tool. Is a reporting tool. These are all reporting tools. Like Informatica, it's an ETL tool. There will be Power BI, Tableau, Cognos, OBI are the reporting tools. Are you clear? Yes, please. So these 45 days, try to improve your English. Try to speak in English these 45 days with your whatever it is. Now, that is about today's session. Now, the important things, I want to tell some things. Next session is on Monday. Now, Coming to the WhatsApp groups, please. Coming to the WhatsApp groups, you should be very careful while you are chatting in WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, you should be very careful. You should always give the respect and take the respect. You should not use the bad words. You should not use the harsh words. You should always polite in WhatsApp groups. Are you clear? You should be always polite in WhatsApp groups. Coming to my team, Prajakta, she will help you on installation. Okay. And you might have spoken with Karthik. You might have spoken with Anusha. Yes, please. Anyone you did have spoken? Yes or no, please? You might have spoken with Karthik and Anusha. These are my admin people. They will take care of the calls and all these things. And I have few more persons, Hari Krishna, okay, and I have Monica, who is working in my company, and Pujita. These will be replying to your WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp messages. These people will be replying to your WhatsApp messages. If it is an important WhatsApp message, I'll reply you. Only this is my team and my wife. Her name is Rohini. And my wife also can speak anytime with you. Maybe she has spoken with you. So this is my team. Apart from that, I don't have anybody, please. This is only my team. And coming to my number 1, 9113861544. This is my communication number. You can always communicate with me on this number. And one more number, 8105296858. This is also our official number, but don't send to this number. Send to this number only. Please send to this number only. And you might have sent money to this number, maybe. This is my number only. This is also my number. This is also my number. You might have sent fees to any of these numbers, correct? You might have sent the fees to any of these numbers. Apart from these numbers, I never asked you to send the fees to any other number. My fees is 15,000 only. Not even a single rupee more than that. Please be careful. If anybody asks you the money, don't share, don't give it to them, please. Don't send it to them. If they say that I am Raj, don't give. These are my numbers. You will get WhatsApp from these channels only, and you should reply from this channel only. Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Yes, please. And you are free to call to anyone in the group. You are free to call anyone in the group. Yes, 8105296858, my number only. My number only. It's my number only. These are all my numbers only. Okay. But communication number is this. Yes, please. Yeah. Yes, correct. Yes. Whatever you got it, correct only. Yes. So you can pay to any of the number. So, but whatever they given, you pay please to that number. Okay. Now, so while you are okay. So I will give the video, right? Till 10 sessions. I'll give the video. Don't worry about it. I'll repeat again and again. I will repeat the topics again and again. Don't worry about it. So please allow me to understand something. Now, see, you are free to call anyone in the group. While calling, please be careful. Please talk with them politely. We are all mature people. We know what is wrong, what is right. We are not school students or college kids. Okay, we are all know mature people. And coming to speaking with girls or ladies, please talk with them or chat with them politely. And ladies, if you get any unwanted message, I'm telling to ladies or girls which are in my training. If you get any unwanted message from anyone, if you get anything which are not correct, please report me immediately. I will remove them from the group. I will remove them from the group. Okay. So please be careful. Whatever they chat to you, they should chat only on Informatica or Oracle. That's it. No personal questions. You can ask where are you from and what you are practicing. That's it. No other personal questions. Ladies and girls, please be careful. Such kind of people, please report me immediately. Don't make it big. Please report me immediately. We'll remove from the group. We'll remove from the training. If they pay 50,000, 15,000 also, will not refund them. We'll directly remove them. Are you clear? I'll give the G Drive link of today's. Yes. Are you clear, please? I am telling to ladies or girls. I'll not tolerate such kind of people. I'll not tolerate such kind of people who misuse our group. Okay. So please take it forward. You should be safer. You should be, we are all give respect to ladies. in our family or your family, wherever, same, we are all our family. We will always respect you people and we will respect each other. Okay? Yes, please. Clear about it. I will not tell again and again the same thing. So please take care. So whoever it is, whether it is a girl or boy, all are same. Okay, there is no difference at all. Okay. So see, yes, please. So notes I will give it to you. Notes I will give it to you. Experience letters also I will tell you what to do with experience letters. I will tell you later. So please wait. So that is about this one. Next, after today, if you paid 15,000, how you will get the notes? You have to open my website. There is a website called rajinformatica.com. There is a website called rajinformatica.com. This is my website. This is my website. Okay, what you can do is, okay, you can open this website. And how to get the material? First, open this website. And suppose if it is logged out, suppose it is my website. Open this website and log into website first. Sign up, click on sign up with Google. I sent you already video. I'll send a video again how to do this. Sign up with Google. Once you sign up with the Google, click on your Gmail ID which given to me. Click on your Gmail ID which you given to me, and it will log into your website. You will be logged into with your Gmail ID. It will log into my website. Once you log in, what you have to do now? Once you log into the website, what you have to do? Please wait. Just wait. So you can see about me, about my company, that is rajinformatica.com. About us, you can see. Yes, please. You can see about us. Okay, about me, you can read about me. Okay, so about the people, about the values, all those things, about my contact numbers, my Facebook channel, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel. Okay, about us, contacts us. And if you want to check the refund policy, payments and refund policy, you can check it out. If you want to check, okay, if you want to check, I'll experience letter, about the experience letter, I will tell later. I'll tell the next sessions. Please wait. Okay. Next, about the terms and conditions about our training. You can see the terms and conditions about my training. All these things you can see it. And also you can see, okay, topics covered in this training. If you want to see the topics covered, you can see the topics covered. You can see the course content. You can see the course content of our training, what and all we will cover. Okay, what and all I'll cover. You can see in the course content. And you can download the course content also to see what and all the topics will cover. After that, if you want to download the material on daily basis, what you have to do? You have to go to student section and you have to go to enrolled courses. If you paid 15,000, then you will be having access to this. Then you will be having, it will be like Informatica live training, 19th batch evening, you will see. If you paid 15,000, click on it. Once you click on it, then you can start training. You can click on start training. Once you click on start training, you can see the lesson 1. Lesson 1 to lesson 10 already available in the website, previous batch videos. But I will, once the session 1 is over, I'll update the video here. You can watch the video and scroll down. You can download the material. Once you click on download, you can see the download here. Understanding, everyone? How to download the material? Are you clear? How to download the material? Are you clear? I will not provide experience letter. I'll give the contacts. You can take with them. I will tell that later. Okay. So what you have to do? What you see, if you have 4 years experience, whatever it is, I'll tell later. I'll tell later what experience you want to try. There is separate class. We'll see about that later. Now what I'm trying to say is, if you want to download the material or watch the video, today video will be available in YouTube. Only 1 and 2 sessions will be available in YouTube. I'll share the YouTube link. If you want to watch again, you can watch. You go to student section, enrolled courses, and click on if you paid 15,000, then only you will get this. Go to Informatica Live 19th batch evening, click on it and click on start learning click on lesson 1, video lesson 1. That will be updated. This is previous batch that will be updated here. You can download here. After that, from Monday onwards, I will not send the Zoom link in the group. How to join live sessions from Monday? You have to again go to student section, join live session. Are you seeing join live session? Are you seeing join live session? Click on join live session. Once you click on join live session, click on your evening 19th batch. Click on your evening 19th batch and you will get the meeting ID password. You take this meeting ID password and put it in the Zoom. Open Zoom app and put this meeting ID password in Zoom app. You can easily log in. So from Monday, I will not send anything to you. Everything will be there in the website. Video will be available. Notes will be available. Meeting ID password of Zoom session will be available in the website. So please pay the remaining fee and get the website access, get the WhatsApp group access, get the material access and everything. Are you clear? Understood? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? So now after today class, what you have to do? I'll send the material. You can watch the video or material. You can read the material. And I will enable the evening batch group. Try to install Informatica today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. If you get any access, if you get any error, please put in the WhatsApp group. If you're unable to resolve, WhatsApp us the 9113861544. Our team will help you. Are you clear? Understanding? WhatsApp groups, the practice groups I will create on Monday. Till now, only one group will be there. Practice groups from Monday, practice sessions will start. From Monday, I will start it. Are you clear? So everyone understood today's session? Did you understand clearly today's session? Is my sessions are interesting? Is my sessions are understandable? Is my English is website accessibility lifetime? Is my English is understandable to you? I'll make sure that you will get a good knowledge from my training. Don't worry. You have to spend the time and you have to practice. Okay, fine guys. Next session is on Monday. Don't miss a session from Monday. Monday is very important session. Every session is important. If you miss one session, next session you will not understand. So please understand it and practice well. Okay. So see you on Monday. Have a good night. Good night. I'll tell on Monday again all these things. City-wise groups are not there still. We'll see later. So we'll see you on Monday. Happy weekend, guys. Good night. Thank you all. Good night. Thank you all. Bye-bye, guys. Please join on Monday, 7:30. Bye-bye. Good night.